Okay, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to rank top 1 on Google on a business keyword with a web page 100% made by Claude Code. So the first step we'll do is just analyze the anatomy of the web page. So as you can see here, there is a quite optimized H1. Then we can open a free SEO extension. The name is Detailed SEO. If you don't know, I recommend to you to download it because it's free, it's clear and it's efficient. We can see easily that the title also is quite optimized with the keyword directly inside. Here also is the freelancer mention that allows this page to target secondary keywords. So the main keyword here is SEO consultant strappy, but we can also have SEO freelancer strappy, etc. And best in 2026, which allows again this page to rank on GEO keywords, because we know that ChatGPT, other LLMs, etc. are typing this kind of keyword on Google. So best SEO consultant strappy 2026. So that's the first thing, let's say the ID card of the page. The meta description here is quite great too, but we know that this isn't really really important ranking factor. If we look at the whole HN structure, it's quite optimized too, but now we'll just check the page itself. So here is a ranking. So again, this is for Geo mainly. I'm first in the ranking, so that's okay. Here is a little quiz. A quiz like that make your future clients, your users stay more on the website, and that's really great because Google can fetch and analyze the user behavior on your pages thanks to Google Chrome, for example. So that's really interesting. So here just a quick quiz, which will recommend here a competitor, but often it recommends me. Then some question that fits the search intent. So what Strappy SEO consultant does, how much will it cost? Yeah, just here, the timeline, etc. Wonderful FAQ just here, so it's quite summarized. That's great. And so yeah, basically that's the page. Then we have another thing that is important to analyze. These are the schema, so the structured data that are present in the raw source code of the page. And this is really insane because, as you can see, the whole fact page is taken into account there. This structured data honestly could be more detailed with more stuff in it, but you know that just Claude Code created this page in some minutes, so we don't really care. And this schema part is secondary. Like this isn't as mandatory, as important as optimizing your title, for example. So this is the page. Now I will tell you exactly how I did to create it. The first step is to go on ChatSEO. So I will just show you here. You just type ChatSEO. You click start here. Here it's in French, I think, so I will just switch language like this. And then the very first step is actually identifying keywords that have business potential but very low competition. If we go back on the third page just here. So as you can see, I didn't lie, I'm actually first, but there is the AI overview just before and the sponsored result just here. So it's in French, but it's sponsored results. And then I'm the first organic result. But if you check at the titles of the competitors' pages, none of them literally contain SEO consultant strappy in the page. So the reality here, and it's really interesting for you, is that nobody is actually really literally targeting this keyword because nobody has it in its title. So that's really interesting. So what I want to show you now is how to identify this kind of keyword. And here you just have to go on ChatSEO. By the way, you have 5 free credits when you sign up on ChatSEO with the link in the description of this video. No credit card required or anything, so you can just check by yourself. And here we'll just ask it which 5 keywords I should focus on. Tell me if I should create or optimize a page for each. So this is really precise. Here I'm connected with my website chatseo.app, but you can do it with your own website. So let's just launch it and we'll see what it will answer. As you can see, the first step is the tool is actually fetching the Google Search Console to see what are my current results, if there are any keywords that we could optimize, like SEO quick wins, because that's really the first step that I did when I was a SEO consultant, like a full-time SEO consultant. So yeah, I just I just gave all my processes, SEO processes that worked for me and for my clients directly to the tool, so that now we have the best SEO tool on the market, in my opinion. And that's why this tool is very different from automatic SEO tool that just put your blog on autopilot but are not really focusing on business keyword that will bring you more revenue, etc. They are just publishing basic SEO articles on your blog and with basic AI generated images, etc. So that's not what I want to do. I want to do a sharp and precise tool that will only recommend you to target the keywords that really have business potential for you. And that's the example just here. So ChatSEO is an SEO tool. Targeting this kind of keywords is really great, because free href alternative, you can do a page on this. The search intent is really business, because this is like someone who heard about our competitor Href and just saw maybe the pricing and is just searching for something cheaper or even free just here. And that's really great because this is a long tail keyword, so there is quite a lot of volume, like 1,400 per month. This is great, but the difficulty here is medium or even low. And so yeah, that's pretty good. SEO chatbot also is really linked to what we do, our main let's say value proposal. So that's really great. So yeah, I'm quite proud of the tool. And so that's the first step. Then I will show you exactly how to do a good page with this directly into Claude Code. So just here we'll target, for example, SEO chatbot. So it just told you that we need to optimize the home page because we are already in position 4. Position 3.4 on for SEO chatbot. So that's pretty great. I will just ask it, let's target, or maybe let's rank first on SEO chatbot, and we'll see it will do pretty precise recommendations. Okay, so here is the full breakdown. As you can see, he analyzed my my whole home page, so with all the word, the HN, etc. So that's pretty great. Then he looked at my Google Analytics, because it can be plugged to Google Analytics. So this is quite advanced, let's say, usage of ChatSEO. So just don't pay attention to it for the moment. And so here is the full optimization plan. So the GA4 engagement are outstanding. So that's still relevant information to have actually, but this isn't let's say directly linked to your SEO. This is great, but you can start without it, to be honest. So here is the primary keyword. It also found a secondary keyword for which the home page should be optimized to. Here is the full analysis. So The current title is great, the current H1 is great, the meta description needs to be changed. That's great to know. The structured data could be also improved, and here is the full checklist. But if you want to have the more result of from ChatSEO, you will just here is the wrong example because my web page is already pretty well optimized. But what you want to do with ChatSEO is just telling it you want to focus to target some keywords you're not already ranking on. So that's basically the real thing, and I will do it right away to show you. Okay, so here is a keyword we didn't target yet. So best outrank alternative. Outrank, if you don't know, is a competitor of us, which is doing this kind of automatical SEO, blog SEO stuff that I don't like personally, to be honest, but this is a well-known tool, so targeting best outrank alternative, it's quite great for us. So here, as you can see, just describe the whole step. Then the recommended page is this one, and so I can just ask it write the full best outrank alternative article with ChatSEO, and as with ChatSEO as the topic. So it's clever because as you can see here, if I go to manage my sites, then I go to chatseo.app, it perfectly knows what is the business model of my website, my market, my target zone. So by the way, here I should maybe add United States. I will just say US, for example. I think it will work. So yeah, my competitors too, my writing style, it has access to my sitemap. I will be able soon to connect my CMS if I add one, and it's connected to my Google Search Console and my Google Analytics account. So that's pretty great. So here it says that it has everything needed. And it will just write the full article, and then we'll go on Claude Code to do all the rest. So basically just taking the ChatSEO text, pasting it in Claude Code, and ask Claude Code to follow very specific processes that I have. So okay, so here the article is generating the TLDR section, which is very relevant for the 2026 SEO now. So I can just click on it if I want to see the whole thing. So the best outrank alternatives in 2026, why switch from outrank, what to look in an outrank alternative, the 6 best ones. So here with ChatSEO first. So that's really great for GEO too, by the way. And yeah, so it will just write the full thing. I will go now on Claude Code directly, and I won't do the full process with you, but you will have all the key to understand. I will show you everything. I won't just publish this one for the moment for personal reasons, because we are already publishing some articles, and I don't want to do a lot of articles, like too much articles a day. And I will tell you something about it at the end of the video, and this is really important, so just stay until the end. Here what I will ask is just summarize for my YouTube subscribers what are our SEO processes and templates, and how they can use them. Anyway, okay, so here the full SEO article just got generated. Okay, so here is the full process I use every time I publish a page with Claude Code, and that's what will make the difference between you and all the dumb people that are actually currently using Claude Code and are just publishing without paying attention to details that really make the difference for Google too, between a website that does precise quality SEO and a website that is just doing bulk SEO, like bulk lame SEO. So the first one is that I have a page template that I use every time. So here the only thing, so yeah, actually the very first step is to connect Claude Code to your website or your CMS. If you didn't do it yet, just ask Claude Code how to do it, and we'll just do the thing, send it a screenshot if you don't understand what to do, and then in, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes it will be all right, and Claude Code will be able to just modify your website, create new pages, optimize your internal linking, etc. So that's the thing to do. Then the first step, the real first step, is to create a page template. So what I did is I went on my WordPress website, I opened the source code of a page that I liked, and I just told Claude Code, here is a page I generated with the Elementor builder on WordPress. I'd like you to keep the same structure, the same UI, etc. Then he sent me the page. I did some corrections, and at the end, in maybe some minutes, I had my template that now I use every time. So every time I publish a new page, I ask Claude Code to follow the template, the page template that we have, and the SEO process that we have too, that I will describe just after. So basically my template is the following. So H1 plus hero, a top ranking table, because every time I publish a new article, I want it to be geo optimized. A long form body, interactive quiz that I showed you at the start of the video, then FAQ blog that you also saw. So this is the thing. Then I have this pattern for the titles, because the keywords that I'm currently targeting are very similar, so I can just use as well a title or meta description template. It fits pretty well. Then the structured data. So this is really important. So here is the, let's say, the page template is this, and starting from there, it is more my SEO process. But you don't care about the word. What you want to do is just respecting each time you publish a new page. Always respect these steps. That's the only thing you want to do. So here is the title and the meta pattern. Then the structured data. So every time I publish a page thanks to Claude Code, it analyzes the page's content, and then generates quite relevant structured data. So that's great for geo, that's great for SEO too. And most importantly, the time spent on this is literally seconds with AI. So I don't care, I do it each time. Then the internal linking, that's really important, and that's what makes also the difference between a website that does a qualitative SEO and a website that just publish in bulk articles. So this is literally written here. Every new page gets 3 to 5 inbound internal links from existing related pages with diverse anchor text. So that's it. That's literally the thing you want to do every time. And if the page has a big business SEO potential, and maybe some research, etc., a big amount of SEO monthly searches, then you can add the page in your main menu, in the header or in the footer, so that the page will receive even more internal links. Then we have the hreflang, because I have a website in French and in English. So you don't have to know what it is. Just know that if you're targeting different languages, even on the same website, or with both different websites, then you will need to handle the hreflang. So just ask your Claude Code to do it, and to remember to always do it if you publish different page in different languages. So then we have the CTR optimization loop. So just we write the title, etc. I'm not sure I will keep this, to be honest. This isn't really mandatory, but it can be great. And yeah, so that's the thing. So you know how to do it now. If you want, you can just comment this video. I will copy paste this to you. You will receive it. But yeah, so that's the thing. Now you know everything. The last thing I want to tell you is don't start to publish several pages every day if your website is new, if you don't have that much SEO authority, because you need to get into the shoes of Google. Like if you were Google, today you see many websites that pops from nowhere, thanks to AI, etc. And all these websites can publish literally 20 SEO pages per day if they want, and that costs a lot to Google, because when he visits pages, fetches the content, indexes the pages, all of that is very costly for Google. So he want to make the easy in the easiest way the difference between websites that are doing great SEO and websites that are just doing bulk disgusting SEO, we can say. So please just start with one page a day maximum if your website is new and if you don't have that much SEO authority. Then if you have a well-searched brand on the internet with a real branding, with a website that is more than 1 year aged, you can start to do more. And yeah, the key here is consistency. It's better to publish 3 pages every week for years compared to doing 20 pages for days, but only for some weeks. Even the signal that is sent to Google is not very great. So yeah, you know how to do it now.